Happy Girls in ICT Day. My name is Kinya Williams. I attend Campion College and I'm in grade 10. Today I had a very fun experience shadowing Miss Shantoya today. We got to see the different types of machines and I feel like that was probably one of my favorite parts of today.
I'm Shantoya Gapour, the e-business manager here at JN Bank, and I've been in ICT for 11 years. Normalize not knowing everything at the start. ICT is a field where learning on the go is the norm, so it's okay to learn as you go. I would say think about the impact you can make on the lives of people around you, your friends, family members, co-workers. Think about the impact you can make for those persons. And ICT is not a field that is just about, coding and computers. It also involves solving real-life problems for ordinary Jamaicans, like our friends and family members as well. So I would say focus on the impact you can make for those persons. I was a part of the team that assisted with the development as well as the deployment of the JN Live Bank mobile app for our customers here at JN Bank. And today, thousands of Jamaicans use that app to conduct transactions daily. And that for me is impact.
Today I got the experience of seeing how the application process of a bank account works. And I thought that was very cool because, they can either accept your application or decline your application. So.